Hi, I'm Farah Khan and you're watching my favorite Bollywood Hungama.
Okay, Farah, we've taken some questions from your fans. Let's see.
Fans बोल के अभी तू question पूछेगा ऐसे आड़े तेरे चल.
नहीं. I'm not going to con you actually.
Okay, चलो.
This is Shirin Azmi from Holland.
हाँ.
When you raise the bar so high, how difficult is it to start a new project after HNY?
You know, I've been saying it for a very long time, Shirin. Thank you for asking this question. What I need to do maybe is make a really small movie now.
Acha, you want to make
like a chotu, finish it in 30-40 days. Because it's difficult to top this now. For at least it'll take another good 1-2 years to come up with something, and then you get in a trap of bigger.
Exactly.
So maybe I'll just find a story which is quirky and not so big, and just do like a little off kind of movie, you know. Otherwise you get into that trap. शोले का फिर शान करना है आपको.
Exactly. But wouldn't that be said कि देखो मतलब now she's making what women are expected to make, you know, in a way if she's
I may still make a very entertaining movie.
Exactly.
It may still be a story which is close to my heart. It may be a very intense thriller for all you know. But I think let me not try now to think कि इससे बड़ा भी करना है अभी. Let me just get a story that I want to make.
Absolutely. This is Athar from Brussels, Belgium. It's a girl. How special is HNY for you?
I think HNY for me is a really special movie. It's my trilogy with Shah Rukh.
Right.
You know, it's our third film together. It's also the biggest film we've done, and it's also an idea which I had for a very long time, and I thought it's a really crazy, quirky idea of a heist in a dance competition.
Exactly.
So I think we managed, and I think what has really become special is the bonding of the entire cast. I think we truly became one family while making the film, and I hope it continues.
Yeah, this is interesting. This is Wafa from Saudi Arabia. Describe each one of HNY cast in one word. अगर आपको एक word में आपको सारी star cast को अगर आपको बयान करना हो तो how will you do that?
But the character or the person?
I think character maybe Charlie. If
okay.
Charlie.
So Charlie for me was very sexy, brooding.
One word.
One word. Macho.
Okay. Nandu
was completely besharam. Besharam means shameless.
Mohini, Deepika.
Deepika for me is the conscience of the team. She was the only one who was actually doing the right thing for the right reason.
Right.
You know, so she was for me the conscience. Baman, I would
say.
Tammy. But Baman would like it if I said stud. So let's go with that. Right. And Sonu was a gentle giant. One word is difficult, yeah.
Okay.
And Vivan,
Rohan.
Vivan was a very, through the movie, he was a very, he was not on this planet, I hope you all know. Vivan lives on an alternate planet. We have to keep calling him down via satellite कि इधर ये धरती पे रहते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर रहो. He is always in space. Space cadet.
Okay, interesting. This is, I think, like a big fan of yours actually. This is Rico from Japan. I think you know her as well.
Rico, actually, you know that Rico from Japan has come down to Bombay, gone to Getty Galaxy and seen Happy New Year. She's such a big fan.
Goodness, she has.
Yes. And she also came for the Slam tours. She flew down from Osaka and she came to New Jersey and saw the tour.
My God. In fact, she's saying that please release a DVD of Slam the tour and please come to Japan. DVD of
I met her when I went for Om Shanti Om to Japan.
Yes, she told me about that.
Yes,
she did.
And they are crazy about Om Shanti Om. They are now, I think, Happy New Year is the latest craze in Japan. So yes, Rico, I will definitely want to come. I love Tokyo. I loved going to Japan. It was, I mean, so much love we got for Bollywood, na.
Right. What about DVD of Slam the tour?
That's it's not my property, so I guess at some point.
But maybe you can.
I'll tell
mention
Shahrukh. Red Chillies will come up with it.
Ashma from Nepal. Do you have any plan to make Om Shanti Om Part 2?
Not as of now. Now what to make? Arjun Rampal died. The revenge was complete, and they have already been reincarnated. So can't take the story any further.
Okay, this is Ashma once again. This is more interesting. Who is more helpful? Shah Rukh as an actor or Shah Rukh as a producer?
It's very difficult to remove one from the other, but I think Shah Rukh as a friend is the most helpful of them all. But I think there's really no difference. As an actor, he's 200% there with the director, doing whatever it takes. And as a producer, you'll have to, I have not found a better producer in the entire, and all the actors who have worked on this movie have been completely spoilt by Red Chillies, completely spoilt. I mean, they were kept like pampered little babies, and they're going to have a tough time when they go work for other production houses now.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.